Hey guys, what's going on? So I have here a Shark Ion 850 and a 725, and I've been asked, what do I do when my front spinner or rotating wheel gets clogged up, broke, or needs replacing, or just general maintenance? So they're the same on all the robots. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a flathead screwdriver, put it in the corner, pry up, turn it to the next side, and pry out. That pops this out. You can take the junk out like that, clean it off. You can get you a Phillips head, a little bit bigger one. Here it is. Get you a Phillips head. There's two Phillips head screws. I don't know if you can see them. And take and get down there and unscrew those. And I've seen people just destroy these, taking them apart. This will come right out. And if you order an assembly from me, guys, this is what you're gonna get. I sell the entire assembly. Make sure to message me, ask for the screws if you want the screws. If not, they won't come, but they do come in gray, black, and the wheels come in gray and black, mostly black though. But those are pretty simple to replace. It's the same thing. This is a 850 over here. Just pop up. Clean it out if you need to. Take the two screws out, swap them out. They're all interchangeable. So if you need these parts, guys, or any other part for your Shark Ion, make sure to check the links below. I will leave a link to my eBay store, and if I don't have it listed, make sure to send me a message and I might have it in stock. It's kind of hard to keep up with all these parts, but thanks for watching.